Dear Federal Legislator, my name is Micah Melling, the Central Region Vice President of National DECA for 2011-2012. DECA is a career and technical student organization with over 200,000 members. Our organization's mission is to prepare emerging leaders and entrepreneurs in marketing, management, hospitality, and finance. As a member of the Congressional Career and Technical Education Caucus, you fully understand the importance of career and technical education. Being a part of this caucus demonstrates that you are an active advocate for this branch of education. Since you are a strong supporter of career and technical education, I invite you to join DECA's Congressional Advisory Board. The Congressional Advisory Board is a voluntary, nonpartisan group of national decision makers who are committed to supporting DECA and career and technical education. Joining the Congressional Advisory Board will allow you to further demonstrate your support for career and technical education, and it will also help students to recognize you as an advocate for their educational programs. If you decide to join the Congressional Advisory Board, DECA will recognize your commitment in several ways. We will list your name in Dimensions, our bi-monthly magazine, on DECA.org, and in the program for the International Conference. These recognitions will spread your name to thousands of students, teachers, and business persons, many of whom will be in your congressional district. As a member of the Congressional Advisory Board, you will also have easy access to DECA members and staff for research and discussions. Please note that outside of agreeing to have your name listed as a supporter of career and technical education, your commitment to join the Congressional Advisory Board has no obligations. I've included more information about the Congressional Advisory Board in the packet I have assembled for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. My email address is decavpmicah, DECAVPMICAH @gmail.com. Thank you for your time and for your consideration.